Hello family, welcome back to another video. In today's video I am so excited to share with you a simple mayonnaise recipe. Let's get started. For ingredients, I have in cooking oil, salt to taste, lemon and egg. Next, in a bowl I'll crack in my egg, 5 tablespoons of oil, half teaspoon of salt and 5 tablespoons of lemon juice. So I'll stir everything until everything is well incorporated. With this hard method of whisking your mayonnaise, it takes a lot of time and patience as well. So I whisked this for at least 30 to 40 minutes before everything was done. But if you have a food processor or a blender, you can choose to use it if you want for your life to become very easy as well. So I added in more oil and lemon juice. Stir until everything begins to turn into creamy, just as you're seeing right now. You can see from the beginning it was looking like a yellowish color, but now it looks like a creamy color. So now my secret ingredients for this recipe is sugar. Yes, I added in sugar because it really makes it taste really good, and I added in 2 tablespoons of cooking oil just to make it a little bit light, and also 1 teaspoon of lemon juice as well. Mix until everything is well incorporated and light as well, because I don't want the mayonnaise to be very thick. If you want it to be thick, you have to whisk it for a very long time before you get that heavy mayonnaise you're looking for. But for now, this is the right consistency I'm looking for. So I'll mix until everything is well incorporated. And now see how creamy mayonnaise looks like. Just simple, and within 30 minutes you can make your own mayonnaise at home. Next, I'm going to transfer this into an airtight container and keep it in my refrigerator for at least 1 month. Thank you for watching today's video, and please, if you want more of this video, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. Thank you for watching once again, and stay blessed.